Hello friends, we all like to eat banana, but do you know that why bananas are curved in shape? This is the most amazing question that people wants to know, so let's begin. Through cell division, banana plants produce leaves that develop into a pseudostem and produce fruit. The bud forms in the bottom part of the plant, and grows up through the center of the pseudostem to the top. The arrow-shaped bud pushes through the top of the plant, and its weight then causes it to change direction, and grow towards the ground. Bananas go through a unique process known as negative geotropism. Instead of continuing to grow towards the ground, they start to turn towards the sun. The fruit grows against gravity, giving the banana its familiar curved shape. But why? The answer lies in the botanical history of the banana. It originated in the middle layer of the rainforest, where there is little sunlight. If the fruit were to grow towards the small amount of light that penetrates sideways through the vegetation, the plant could overbalance and topple low. A developing flower. The flower grows towards the ground. The tiny banana fruits can already be seen under the leaves. Beneath each petal is a row of banana fruits. The developing fruits. At this stage they are still growing downwards. Negative geotropism comes into play, and the bananas start to grow against gravity, towards the sky. And that's why bananas are curved. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.